Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to build a simple calculator using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This project will be great for beginners who want to make sure that they understand JavaScript very well. So let's get started. First, we will create HTML, CSS and JavaScript file, then we will link them together in our HTML file. So let's get started. Doc, and here I will name my site simple calculator. Here I will link my CSS file by link CSS, and make sure that href here is the same as your CSS file name. Okay, then link your JavaScript file script source and write your JavaScript file name script.js. And now let's start building our structure. First, you need the container, so I will create a class. I will name it calculator, and inside of it I want to create something just as the display, so I will use input and I will make the type text. Okay, I don't need the name, so I will delete it and I will use class instead of it. So the class will be calculator screen, then the ID will be main screen. Okay, and let's reload to show you what we will get. So now this is our input and will it be represented as our display to the calculator. Pay attention that I can insert any value inside of this display, which is not acceptable actually. So I don't want to insert a value inside of this. To do that, I will make the input disabled. And now it's all done actually. Now after that I will create container that contains the buttons, so I will name it calculator buttons. Okay, now I will create a button and I will give it the class also of a button, and this one will be 7 and I will give it also a value of 7. Value will be 7 also. Shift Alt and arrow down 7. This one will be 8 and this one will be 9. Okay, 8, 9, and don't forget to change the values. And now we will need an operator, so the operator will be also a button. The class will be button operator. The operator here will be the division, so value and we will copy these lines because we will use them but with the different values. Okay, and here they will be 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6, and change your value 4, 5 and 6. Okay, the operator here will be multiplication. I will use capital X to show it in the calculator, and here it will be the star, shift and 8 number. Then now this one will be 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, and the operator will be minus, and now we will add the zeros and clear buttons. Ctrl V. This one will be 0. And this one will be clear. I will make them both capital letters, okay? And the operator here will be the plus sign. Now we will add delete button, so this will be button with the class of button also, and the value will be D, and the last one will be the equal sign. Okay, so this one will be button. I will give the class button equal sign. The value will be equal and now we finished our structure. Now we are going to style it. So we will go to style.css, and first we are going to style the body. First, I will give a font family. I like this one actually, and I will give it a height of 100 VH. Display will be flex. Align items and justify content will be center. And I will make it dark theme, so background color will be okay. Margin 0. Then we will focus about our calculator. I will create a borders. Border will be 1 pixel solid and create 3. Pixels. And actually let's do the display. Display will be also flex, and we flex direction, and I think we are doing well. Actually there's a button we don't know where is it. Just hold up to our structure. Yeah, we got it. Okay, so we stopped here. Calculator and flex direction displays flex. Now the background color. This time background color will be 1E. Yup, this one. Okay, and I will give it a width. We will do align items to the center. Padding 20 pixels. And let's add some shadow. So box shadow will be 0, 0, 0, 15. Just 2 zeros, 15 pixels. And RGBA will be 0, 0, 0, and 0.5. And okay, we are done. Now we will focus about this screen. Okay, so to correct, we will make calculator screen, and the width will be 100%. The height will be 60 pixels, and we will use this actually for the buttons also. Background color, and we don't want this border, so border will be none. And the color of the text inside of it will be white, so #FFF. And the text align will be to the right. So now we want actually some padding and margins. Padding will be 10 pixels, and margins bottom, because the buttons are really close actually. Okay, and to make it look good, I will add some radius. So border radius, the outer one was 10 pixels, this one will be 5 pixels. So I think this is fine. And now we will talk about our buttons. Wait, we didn't. Font size be 1.5, and we are done. Now we will take care about our buttons. So calculator buttons, the display this time will be grid. Grid template columns will be repeat 4 1 apart. Okay, this is nice, and we want a gap. This gap will be 10 pixels. Okay. Now this is too much. Okay. Now we focus about the buttons, okay? Not the operators, the buttons. So the buttons will be height of 60 pixels, width of also 6 pixels, and the font size 1.5, and borders are none, and we want some radius, so border radius will be 5 pixels. Cursor will be pointer. Background color and the color of the text inside will be and we are fine. Okay, now we will add some transition. Okay, so transition, background color, and transform 0.1 seconds. Okay, we are doing well. Now we're done with buttons. Now we will focus about hover. Okay, so button, hover, background color will be, and now we get our hovering. Now we will get active. Okay, so dot button active. This one will be scaling. Okay, so the transform scale 0.80. Let me see that. No, this is too much. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, this was about buttons. Now let's take care about operators. So operator will be background color, I will choose this one. Okay, this one is for operators. Okay, now we will create a hover. Okay, and by hovering you can see that we are seeing darker colors. Okay, now let's focus about our equal sign. So dot equal sign, we will only change the background color. So the background color is as light green. Okay, okay, and the hover will be hover Now let's change about something about values. Okay, so a button value equal t button value equal sign will be grid to span. Sorry, span to. Okay. Now we will get the value of equal Control C and Control V, and we will get some width. The width will be 250 pixels. The position will be relative, and right 100 pixel. Okay. Button value background color okay. Now we are done with CSS. Let's go to JavaScript. First we will get some elements, so const min screen equal document dot get element by ID will be main screen. Okay. Okay. And here const buttons equal document dot get element. No, this one will be query selector. Okay, query selector and all dot button. So now we are fine. We will get let current input equal and let equation equal then let should reset screen false. Now we are done with variables, so let's start with real JavaScript here. Button dot for each button add event click and everything is fine. Const value equals button dot value. If value is equal value, this is if statement equal to C, remember that JavaScript is case sensitive, okay, so take care of this C, okay. Current input will equal nothing, and equation the same. Update screen and now we are done with if. Now we have to deal with else. If value equals D, if here, take care, pay attention, this if is inside if else, okay, equal to current input does not equal dot slash 0 and we are done. The equation will be equation equal equation dot also slice 0 minus 1 and update screen equation. Okay, now we are getting out of this. We're out of if, and now these are the bracelets, okay. So let me just shift Okay, it's not readable more. Okay, this one is fine for me. Okay. Now we have another else if, else value equal the equal sign. If current input then equal okay, try const result equal eval equation dot to string. Okay, here dot to string. Then we will update the screen. Update screen. Not these ones. The result. So the current input will equal result and the equation also. Now should will be true. Okay, catch update screen current input equal and equation okay. and here this is else. Finally, if should reset screen current input and should the screen will be equal to false. Current input plus equal the value and equation plus equal also value and update screen and finally function update screen, the one we were using all the time. This is it, value main screen dot value equal, and we are done. So oh, main screen, okay, sorry. Okay, hold up. And here we are. That's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for another project.